How you doing? Been a while since I've been out here on the Friant Canal and filmed anything. I thought I'd film a little bit today. The Friant Canal, for those of you who don't know, supply the valley with a majority of its water needs. This comes from Militant Lake and then comes all the way down through the Central Valley and supplies all the grape growers, the citrus, etc., etc. However, the last few years with the drought, water restrictions have forced growers to start using their wells much more. And they've had to drill wells down to 1,000 feet or more just to get water. And they've been pumping furiously because of the state's mandate on water conservation, etc., etc. And in doing so, they're actually making the water table so low that the ground is sinking. And that's affecting this Friant Canal. I'd like to show you some of the patchworks where the canal is actually sinking. You can see over there some of the patchwork. There's other areas which it's much more extensive. And they're introducing a bill, I understand now, to try to get the funds to fix this canal, which has to be fixed no matter what. So they'll probably find the funds. As you can see, grapes have just started to bud. A little overcast today. We've still got some winter weather ahead. But a good day for riding the bike and checking out the canal and noticing that lots of water's flowing now. So that means that they're irrigating. They started irrigating the grapes as well as the citrus. And another season is beginning. So I'll talk to you in a little bit. Good seeing you, folks. Take care and check out Ebike on the Friant Canal. See ya. Bye.